There we go, guys. Nice. Whoop. Well, guys, definitely a productive day. Can't wait to put this all together for you. Hope you enjoy the video. That's for sure. I sure did enjoy catching them for you. Medlin's Outdoors. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the episode. Thank you. Yeah, anyway, reaching my little cubby hole here to get something to drink, and the current picks up. Gotta love that stuff. Good for you. Try and get this up in here a little bit tighter. Oh, son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. There you go. There we go, guys. Nice. Whoop. That's a real nice bass right there, baby. Real nice. Stay down, stay down. Fighting him this time, guys. Definitely fighting him. Definitely fighting him. Come on, baby. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh. What a shot, man. Let's check this bad boy out. This is a nice one for sure. Let's get a weight on him. Zero him out. Come on. Is he zeroed? Yep. Zeroed out. £2, 13 ounces. For sure. Alright, one last look at him because we're going to get a nice release on him. For sure. 2 pounds, 13 ounces. Let's get him back in the water. Ready, buddy? Here you go. Awesome. Well, guys, that was a nice one. He took the one brown Yoshimoto. I think that's what it's called, Yoshimoto. Anyway, he took it. That's a nice bass. Now, I'm gonna have to go with something different. We're gonna try this. I got a couple of different things in here. I think this, they call this the Biospawn. Either way, if this one doesn't work out, we're gonna try this one with it. It's a swim bait, and we'll see what happens. Stick tuned. Stick a tune, stick a tune. All right, let's give this a whirl. Let's go, guys. That was great. See if we can do this again. Wind is definitely starting to pick up. And I'm trying to get in here as tight as I possibly can. I don't want to get in too close and mess up my spot. But I don't want to put this hook in my leg either. Yep, there we go. Hey, I don't know what the heck that is, but oh, am I freaking recording? I don't know what I got, but some of it's taking me right into the shore. Son of a bitch. You dirty bastard. You just brought me in here. And I still got you. I have no idea. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. That's what I freaking thought, dude. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Another one. Holy cow, that's a nice one right there, buddy. Heck yeah, it is. Let's get this hook out of him. That was a beautiful hook set right there. Heck yeah. Put that right there. Let's grab this scale, because he's definitely a nice one. Definitely another nice one. Zeroed it out. $2.10. Last one was $2.13. Nice. That's what I'm talking about right there. And he brought me in the shit. He brought me in the shit. But we're gonna go ahead and one more look. Yeah, let's let him go. Today's been an alright day, I guess. I'm glad I came back out. See ya. There we go. I knew there would be another one in there. I knew it. Oh, and he took my Cinco. He took my thing, man. He took my thing. You need to relax there, homie G. Dink. But it's another one. Dirty bitch. Dirty bitch. Dirty bitch. Time to start making my way home. Dinner is done. Wife is calling. This guy's got to eat. You know how that stuff goes. But not before a couple more casts. Let's just how I feel about it. That ain't gonna do it. That ain't doing it. That ain't what I wanted to do. Right there. Right there. Right there. Told ya. Right there. Another one. We'll take it. Come on. Quit being a dork. Quit being a dork. Oh, you just spined me. Just spined me. There you go, little rock bass. Dirty, rotten. Oh. Probably just a small one. Probably just a small one. There we go. There we go. Yep. Alright. Small ones are better than nothing. Small ones are better than nothing. That's another smallie right there. Nope, that's a largemouth. That's a largemouth. Pinned his mouth shut. Pinned his mouth shut. Sorry, dude. There we go. Now I'm in the trees. Gotta love that. Alright, let the guy go. And I'm snagged in this shit. It's all about being in the trees today, baby. Love it.